So you hop on your e-bike ready for a nice long adventure on a weekend and nothing. Your bike won't do anything. In this short video, I want to give you some troubleshooting tips to determine if the problem is the battery or your bike, with a little extra tip towards the end of the video for you. Okay, today I want to show you some troubleshooting tips when your e-bike won't start. My background is IT and building access control systems, so troubleshooting is something I do on a daily basis in my full-time job. And I just wanted to give you some tips on how you can troubleshoot your e-bike quickly if the problem is your battery or your e-bike. So the first thing you want to tackle is make sure your e-bike or the battery's okay. That's the easiest thing to check. So I've got my wife and I's bike batteries here. I wanted to just show as an example. In fact, I can get rid of hers because they're both basically the same besides the color, capacity. You can remove your battery, and most batteries come with an LED indicator light in them that you can press and it gives you the battery level. That's step number one. Make sure your battery's charged by checking that. If it's flashing or giving a different pattern, many e-bike batteries come with a legend like this one does. If you can see that. There's a certain pattern to the light or flashing. It explains that in this legend in the bottom of my battery. I would imagine most batteries come with that, or it's going to be in the manual. So if you see anything besides full bars, steady on, you can look to see what the blinking means or the light patterns mean. So that's step number one. If it's a battery that continuously outputs the power, then you can put your multimeter leads in these tabs here, and they are going to be labeled. If you look close, it'll be a plus and a minus. Mine is labeled, but this must have an internal battery management system. It's not outputting the 48 volts all the time. It must sense if it's plugged in or not, then it outputs the power. But not all batteries are like that. You could take your multimeter and you can put the leads in the plus and the minus slots and actually see if you're getting power out of your battery. But there again, depending on the BMS and the battery, it may or may not show any volts that way. So that's not always an accurate way to check, depending on your battery. But a good place to start is to press the indicator button, and that should tell you if there's power in the battery. If the lights are not lit up at all, then the next thing you want to look at is your charger. I've got my charger here for an example. The light will turn green when it's charged or it's just sitting idle, which mine is right now. If I were to plug this into my battery, it would turn red if the battery was low. My battery is full, so it's not actually going to charge. It's already full. But that's the next thing you can make sure. Make sure the charger is lit up. If the charger's not lit up and your battery's not lit up, there's one last thing you can check. If you take the end of the charger, and on my charger, the two largest prongs are where I can put my meter on it and see if it's actually putting out power. And we can try that here if my multimeter will stand up. So you just want to be careful to put your little leads right on the largest pins. And as you can see, mine is kind of going back and forth, 54 volts back and forth. So the power charger is outputting power. And I can verify that with my multimeter. Just do that one more time. And you can get one of these multimeters at Harbor Freight or Amazon, $20, $30. There you go. The charger must kind of pulse. It's not full time, but you can see it's putting out power for sure. The charger is. So those are just some quick troubleshooting tips. If your e-bike's not starting, check your battery first. That's going to be the easiest thing to determine. If your indicator lights aren't coming on, if your charger light's not coming on, if it's not outputting any power, then your charger's probably bad. It's just not charging your battery. So a good chance the battery's fine, the charger's not fine. So then you'd probably want to just go ahead and get a new charger. If your charger's fine, the light's coming on, it's outputting power, but the battery is still not putting out power and the indicator's not working, then it's a problem probably with the battery, and you want to go right to the manufacturer if it's under warranty, or bike shop, and talk to them about that. If the charger's fine, the battery's good, that's where you can move on to the bike and start troubleshooting the bike, which I'm not doing in this video, but you do want to make sure there's no obstructions in these. You could take a dry toothbrush, maybe with some rubbing alcohol, and make sure these are clean, because if they're dirty, gummed up, or a lot of sand or something, that can affect obviously the battery when it's plugged into the bike, and you want to check the leads on the bike as well. Make sure they're clean, and you can do that with a toothbrush, compressed air, and you can even use a little rubbing alcohol if it is grimy or dirty. Well, there you go. Instead of jumping to the conclusion that your bike is just broke, it might be something more simple, and I wanted to help you with that first step of checking the battery first. Hopefully this video was a help to you. If it was, like and subscribe for more e-bike content in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.